What's going on, everybody? Doyle here from Premier RV in Bluegrass, Iowa. Today we're talking about the 2023 Starcraft Super Lite. This is the 225 CK. Let's get into it. This camper has an unloaded vehicle weight of 5,090 pounds, carrying capacity of 1,410 pounds, all in total for a gross vehicle weight of 6,500 pounds. It's 27 feet, 4 inches long, 11 feet tall, and can comfortably sleep 6. This RV is made with Tuffshell, which is vacuum bonded, laminated construction, reinforced with heavy duty fiberglass and welded aluminum frames. This thing's definitely built tough. Also comes with thermal seal, which as you can see includes solar reflectance and a heated and enclosed underbelly. Moving on to the pass-through storage, oversized with magnetic baggage doors and motion lighting. Also includes a battery disconnect. On the front side, fiberglass front cap with the Starcraft name on it. Looks amazing. And of course we got the off-door side pass-through storage as well. Here's the one and only slide on this RV. And right back here, we have our convenience center with city water connection and fresh water connection. On the back side, spare tire, rear ladder, and pre-wired for a Furrion backup camera. So the very first thing you're going to notice when you walk into this camper is how it utilizes every inch of space for a comfortable and enjoyable journey. We've got residential vinyl flooring here, which makes it kid and pet friendly, and roller blackout nightshades to make sure you have beautiful views of wherever your journey takes you during the day, and complete darkness and privacy at night when you need it. 6'9" ceilings make sure you never feel claustrophobic, and this 15,000 BTU roof-mounted AC makes sure that no matter where you are, you're going to feel cool and you're going to feel comfortable. Starting off with the bedroom over here, 60-inch by 80-inch queen bed that easily lifts to offer hidden and open storage for blankets or anything else you might want to bring along for the journey. It's awesome because it provides you more storage and it's out of sight. Back in the two corners, you have the wall charger as well as a pop-up USB charger so you can charge your electronics at night but still keep them on hand. Overhead storage, and right here you lift this up, takes you right down to the pass-through storage for a laundry chute. Another awesome thing about this camper, pull these, and offers you complete privacy when you may need it. Here we have the Thomas Paine Collection theater seats that face the entertainment center, which comes with a smart TV and these cool JBL premium indoor and outdoor multi-zone speakers. This way you can play music inside, outside, or both at the same time. Right under here we have a booth dinette that easily converts into a bed that can comfortably sleep two, and even more storage underneath. Coming over to the kitchen, we have this 2-door 12-volt fridge, which is 10 cubic feet. It has lots of space in there. 3-burner range with a 17-inch oven. And right above is the microwave. As you can see, there's lots of kitchen storage with these hardwood cabinets. And we have a residential high-rise faucet that comes with sink covers. Finishing up at the bathroom, first thing you're going to notice is these large medicine cabinets, which provides great storage for your bathroom and again keeps it out of sight. 2 more over there, 2 more down there. Foot flush plastic toilet, tub, shower, got a skylight, and a 12-volt exhaust fan. If you guys like this video and want to see more content like this, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Come check out our website, premierrv.com, or come check us out in person in Bluegrass, Iowa. Address will be in the description. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a good one. We'll see you next time.